Hey, it's the Code Coach here. Today we're talking about house wrap and window wrap installations. Now, every window is different per manufacturer specifications. Best bet to do is to get a window installation instruction specifications for the specific window you're going to install. But I do know that they will never, ever require you to wrap this top bit of house wrap. This is a good example of what we're looking for here. This top bit of house wrap is cut flush with the top of the window. I also want you to note how it's wrapped bottom, sides, and top, okay? What that does is allow water, if it were to get behind this house wrap, gets behind it, it's gonna run down underneath this and out. It's not gonna get trapped underneath this window header and rot out. So that's a good example of a properly wrapped and installed window.